Hello, I'm Raghav, and this session is a continuation from the last session where we created a SOAP XML request and we actually ran a SOAP XML request using REST assured. So we created a class and we created the function and did add test ng annotation. Then we added all our base URI and the given when and post methods, and then we finally ran the API. So let me very quickly show you. I will open my Eclipse and this is the project, and in the last session we created this class, that is SOAP XML request, and here we had created this function. We got the XML request or the API request from a file and we had kept a file here. You can see this is our request in a file. So we have got this from a file and then we have added this body here, and then finally we did a post and then we were able to get a request and we also displayed the response. If I again run it, I will run as test test and let us see the response again. So this is working fine and we are getting the response. Now let's just say I want to validate this response or some data or value in the response. I want to validate that I am getting 5 here as add result. In that case I can provide a XPath and then can do the validations. If I just copy this XML response and go to some XPath tester, so I can go to freeformatter.com and this will show me some XPath tester, and here it is. I can also go to XML toolbox which can generate our XPath for me. So here I am going to freeformatter.com and I will go to this XPath tester where I can create a XPath and then test it, and I will copy my XML here and then I will say here is the add result tag. So I can say I can create a XPath. I can say / star colon add result. So star means they can be any tag here. I do not care, but I want to go to the add result tag and then I will say test XPath, and this will show me the result. And let me just see, here I am getting, it is still working. So if I say test XPath, I'm getting this. So I'm getting the entire element, that is the add result tag. If I want to take out the text, I will say / text, and now if I again test the XPath, I should be getting the value 5. So yes, I'm getting the value 5. So I can use this XPath. I can go to my class and here I will say, I will remove the colon and I will say dot, and then I can say end. So I also want to add some more assertions here, so I will say end, and then I will say body. If I press Ctrl spacebar on my keyboard, I have a lot of body functions, so I'm going to take it from this one. So this says validate that response body conforms to one or more hemcrest matches. So I can use this. I can also use assert that here, and let me see what are the others. Here also you can see validate that JSON or XML response body conforms to one or more hemcrest matches. So I can use this. I can just say here I will give my XPath within quotes, and this is my XPath. I'll copy this and give it here, and here I have to use dot and then I will say colon equal to, and I will say it is equal to 5. So now I can say, I can give it in quotes, and then let me try. There is an error. I will also give a semicolon here. There is some error. I need to add the hemcrest matches. So let me go to the import statements and I will say here import org dot hemcrest. So it is here, and then I will say matchers. If I press Ctrl spacebar, I have matchers here, and I can also do a static import for equal to. I will say static, and I will say equal to here dot equal. Let me very quickly see. Oh, there should be a space here, and now if I press Ctrl spacebar, there is equal to here, and I will save, and now the error is gone, and this is what I can use. So now if I run this, let me check without text if I do not add this text, and if I run it now, let us see the output on the console. So there is an error here, there is a failure here. It says expected 5 and actual 5, but I believe it is expecting as string, so I will say dot text and then try again dot text and then run again and check the console, and yes, this time it is working fine, and we are also able to do the validation of our XML response. So I hope this was useful for you. Please do hands-on along with this video and let me know if you have any issues, and I will meet you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.